Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, June 9, 2021. Today's video is about California State Capitol. The California State Capitol, located in Sacramento, is the seat of the Californian government. The building houses the chambers of the California State Legislature, comprising the Assembly and the Senate, along with the office of the Governor of California. The neoclassical structure was designed by Reuben S. and completed between 1861 and 1874. The California State Capitol Museum is housed on its grounds. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.